Seth Klarman is an American billionaire who founded the Baupost Group, a Boston-based private investment partnership, and the author of a book on value investing titled Margin of Safety, Risk-Averse Value Investing Strategies for the Thoughtful Investor. Early life and education. Klarman grew up in a Jewish family in Baltimore, where his father was a public health economist at Johns Hopkins University and his mother taught high school English. Klarman is a graduate of Cornell University and Harvard Business School, where he was a Baker Scholar and was classmates with Jeffrey Immelt, Steve Burke, Stephen Mandel and Jamie Dimon. Career. Before founding Baupost, Klarman worked for Max Heiner and Michael Price of the Mutual Shares Fund. He founded the Baupost Group in 1982, which managed $22 billion as of 2010. Despite his unconventional strategies, he has consistently achieved high returns. He is a very conservative investor, and often holds a significant amounts of cash in his investment portfolios, sometimes in excess of 50% of the total. He often makes unusual investments, buying unpopular assets while they are undervalued, using complex derivatives, and buying put options. Klarman typically keeps a low profile, rarely speaking in public or granting interviews. However, in 2006, he spoke pessimistically about the stock market and warned of future inflation. He is sometimes referred to as the Warren Buffett of his generation. In 1991, Klarman authored Margin of Safety, Risk-Averse Investing Strategies for the Thoughtful Investor, which since has become a value investing classic. Now out of print, Margin of Safety has sold on Amazon for $1,200 and eBay for $2,000. In 2014, Forbes listed Seth Klarman as one of the 25 highest-earning hedge fund managers in 2013. His 2013 total earnings was $350 million, ranks him the 20th among the 25 top-earning hedge fund managers. Philanthropy and politics. Klarman started the Klarman Family Foundation, which donates to medical causes, Jewish organizations, and Israeli causes. Klarman is the chairman of Facing History and Ourselves, which develops classroom programs to combat anti-Semitism and bigotry. Klarman also is active with the Israel Project, a pro-Israel advocacy group that collects and provides information on Israel for journalists. He gave the organization $4 million between 2008 and 2010. Klarman also heavily donates to Republican groups and candidates. Klarman is a major backer of political nonprofits such as the Ending Spending Fund and the pro-same-sex marriage American Unity Fund. Personal. Klarman is married to Beth Klarman. Klarman is the brother of Harvard law professor Michael Klarman. Klarman is the key U.S. investor behind the Times of Israel, an online English-language newspaper which reports on Israel, the region and the Jewish world. References: A.B. Klaravik Stables, National Thoroughbred Racing Association, Forbes, The World's Billionaires, Seth Klarman April 2014, http, archive.breederscup.com/ bio.aspx ID = 27293, The Oracle of Boston. Seth Klarman. The Economist, July 7, 2012, ABCDE Jewish Daily. Ford, the soft-spoken man behind Times of Israel. Famed investor Seth Klarman says site won't pull punches by Josh Nathan Kazi's February 29, 2012. Forbes Israel, Jewish Billionaires, Profile of Seth Klarman April 14, 2013, A.B. Herbert Klarman, 82, Professor, Health Economist, The Baltimore Sun, June 19, 1999. Scott Cendrowski. A hedge fund bets big on a Canadian mega quarry. CNN Money. Retrieved February 15, 2012. A fabricant, Geraldine manager frets over the market, but still outdoes it. New York Times, Investments section. Accessed on October 25, 2008. Opportunities for Patient Investors, Financial Analysts Journal, Volume 66, Number 5, Seth A. Klarman and Jason Zweig, Baupost's Klarman sees poor outlook for stocks. Reuters, Aaron Pressman and Matthew Lewis. May 18, 2010, The Wharton Journal 1205, Brett Areens. Klarman, Why Investing is Like Chess. Wall Street Journal. The Oracle of Boston, Economist, The $700 Used Book Business Week, Personal Finance section. Access November 11, 2008. Vardy, Nathan, the 25 highest earning hedge fund managers and traders, Forbes. Sullivan, Sean. Who funded the super PAC hitting Dem and GOP candidates? These three billionaires. Washington Post. Retrieved July 7, 2014. Confsor, Nicholas. Pushing the GOP to support gay rights. New York Times. Retrieved July 7, 2014. http, blogs.timesofisrael.com, Nathan Cazias, Josh. The soft-spoken man behind Times of Israel. The Forward. Retrieved March 17, 2012. Further reading, 1. Notes from Seth Klarman's discussion at the CFA Institute's 2010 annual conference, May 18, 2010. Klarman, Seth. Remarks at MIT. Website of Reedfield, Blinsky and Company, LLC. Access November 11, 2008. 2. Seth Klarman interview by Alpha. 3. Excerpts from 2005 Baupost Group letter. 4. Seth Klarman video conference at Ben Graham Center for Value Investing. 5. Seth Klarman featured in Outstanding Investors Digest March 2009. 6. Seth Klarman guest lecture at Harvard's Psychology of Leadership course, May 1, 2006. External links. Manager frets over the market, but still outdoes it. New York Times, May 13, 2007. How to Ride Seth Klarman's Coattails. Forbes, February 25, 2010. The Financial Life, Seth Klarman, Bloomberg Business Week, June 17, 2010. 7. Profile of Seth Klarman and Baupost Letters Hedge Fund Letters, Seth Klarman Latest News Hedge Journals.